Hello, welcome. In this lecture, let us discuss about Scrum Master roles and responsibilities in Agile Scrum framework. The Scrum Master is like a coach and a facilitator for the Scrum team. There are three important roles and responsibilities of a Scrum Master in Agile Scrum framework. One is facilitating Scrum events. Second one is removing the impediments. Third one is coaching teams in agile practices. Let us discuss each of these responsibilities in detail. First one is facilitating Scrum events. Scrum has regular meetings called ceremonies that help keep the team organized and focused. The Scrum Master ensures these meetings happen smoothly and that everyone participates. Main Scrum events are sprint planning, daily stand-up, sprint review and sprint retrospective. These events we have already discussed in another lecture. Another responsibility of Scrum Master is to removing impediments. Any impediment is anything that slows down the team or prevents them from getting the work done. The Scrum Master's job is to remove those obstacles so that team can focus on their work. For example, let us say developer in the team is stuck because they don't have access to a server needed to test a feature. The Scrum Master steps in and works with IT to quickly resolve the issue, allowing developer to continue the work without further delay. In a larger scenario, if a team faces a process issue like unclear requirements from a stakeholder, Scrum Master might bring both the teams together for a better communication and making sure project progress without confusion. Another responsibility of a Scrum Master is coaching the teams in agile practices. The Scrum Master helps the team understand and follow the agile principles and Scrum practices. They ensure that team stays focused on delivering the value through collaboration, flexibility and continuous improvement. For example, if a team is new to Scrum, the Scrum Master might teach the team how to break down large tasks into smaller, manageable pieces called user stories. This helps the team to complete the work within a sprint and deliver the small but valuable feature regularly. If a team is struggling with their daily stand ups, with some members not sharing enough, the Scrum Master would coach the team on how to keep the meeting productive and meaningful. Scrum Master ensures that team communicates effectively and stays aligned with the agile values like collaboration and responding to a change. The facilitating Scrum events, removing impediments, coaching a teams in agile practices. These three are important responsibilities of a Scrum Master in Agile Scrum framework. Thank you for watching.